Hey guys, this is Trucker, and I'm at the Springfield Nature Center. I thought I'd give you guys a video tour of the Nature Center so you guys could see this. This is Springfield Lake right here. Okay, this is further down. The bridge is back over there. There's a hawk. See if we can get a good shot of that guy up there. It's so bright I can't tell if he's getting in the shot or not. If you guys can see him up there soaring around. I zoom in on him. It's warm out today. There's people everywhere. Okay, so where we're at now is further down the trail. As you can see this, if you go that way, it goes off to the Greenway trails. And I believe if I'm right, it actually leads, I think like a couple miles up, there's another park, and I think this trail leads over to that park. Maybe, don't hold me to that, but anyway, so that goes to there, but we're going to stay on this trail, which is kind of leading us back to the beginning. I don't feel like walking that far, and it's already in the afternoon, so it'll be dark soon, so. Okay, guys. I'll come to the end of that trail. As you can see behind me. Now we're coming back up into the forest again. They stopped just a minute ago. There must have been 1 million frogs all going off at the same time. And I made a noise and I scared them all. They just shut up. They're all getting ready to start mating, or they are mating, doing their mating calls. Now I can hear them. I don't know if you guys can hear them or not. Another beautiful area. You'll see another wood boardwalk that I've been walking on. You guys have never been to Missouri, the Ozarks, especially this time of year in the spring. It is just absolutely beautiful. It's even more beautiful here in like another month when all the trees start getting their leaves back on them, but it is something to look at. We're going to walk over this bridge. Show the sign there. Don't spoil the nature by feeding it. It's not pets. They're wild. Leave them wild. Of course, if you're hungry and then you're going to eat them, that's okay. There's the railroad tracks. Hey, I just wanted to give you guys a little info while I'm walking along here. This boardwalk, this is actually new. I'm not sure when they built this. I've been gone. I moved to Florida and was there for about 5 months, so it's probably good. And then I've been back about 3 months, so it's probably been a good 8 months since I've been here to this nature center. So this whole boardwalk right here is all brand new. You can actually probably tell how new and clean it looks. And but yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that. Just trying to give you a little bit of history about this place. I've been coming here off and on for about 25 years. Ever since I moved to Springfield way back when. Okay guys, I want to show you. If you look through those trees, you can see the freeway over there. I'll zoom in on it for you. You can see that. It's a bridge. All the cars going by there. That's actually right off of 65 freeway, which goes to Branson. Or back into Springfield if you go the other way. There's the trail again. Okay guys. Whew, I'm out of breath now. Kind of a steep upgrade here, where I'm walking back up to the beginning. And I'll show you where I'm at here. You can see the hills and massive trees. And I came from down there. I'm trying to get to the top, and I'm going to show you guys the inside of the nature center, which has a lot of pretty cool stuff inside. And hopefully they're still open. I'll give you guys a video tour of that. So stay tuned. Okay guys, almost there. There's the freeway. Cars all going toward Branson. There's the beginning up there. Okay guys, I made it. And this is just one of their displays inside here. This is a tank, and inside here, let's see what they got there. That, in case you guys don't know, is a baby sturgeon. And he is a baby because he is tiny. These things get monsters. And we're just going to go for it here and give you the tour. This is the inside though. What's over here? These neat pictures here. That one. Okay. So what I wanted to show you is this. See these guys? It's all about them. Here. Kind of like a mini zoo. All these animals, but all these animals are native to Missouri. For you guys that don't know what that is, that's a bass. More bass. And these guys, those guys are called whitetail shiners. Come over here. So in here we have some frogs. Okay, I'm just fooling with you, they're not real. It's just a display. Here's one of the venomous snakes, copperhead.
After a hot summer day, a gentle clean rain shower refreshes the forest and triggers wildlife activity.
I found, guys. And yes, he is real. Called the Texas brown tarantula.
Sam.
And they got one over here too. What is in here? Oh, there's a scorpion. I'll zoom in so you can see him a little better. Check him out. He says, "How you doing, guys? How you doing?" It's like, "Feed me. I'm hungry. Somebody give me a cricket." Okay, guys. This is a giant desert centipede. If you guys know anything about centipedes, they are extremely venomous.
Up here and see where it kind of bounces off. So when it comes a little closer, he jumped all the way down to it.
And he almost fell off.
Yeah, he about fell off if his foot wouldn't stuck.
He would have landed on
He
his
would have slid all off of it. Hey, hey, Sam, you need to get your own stool.
What at the bird?
Oh,
There he goes.
He got free.
That's all he needed.
you needed motivation.
He's hiding in the hose thing.
Well, he got it.
He's hiding in the hose.
Yeah.
In it.
I wonder if he lost a claw.
Fun. What's she got?
Maybe his claw.
Oh, it's better than having a Pokemon.
The big turkey.
Okay, guys, so you know what happened just then. A squirrel was eating. He jumped off a tree onto the bird thing, and he got stuck. And he was hanging upside down by his little paw. And so the lady at the nature center here had to go out and free him and let him loose. Hopefully he didn't break a leg or anything, but he ran off after, so I think he's okay. So. Okay, guys, well, we're almost at the end of our tour here. See all this stuff that you can reach down and touch here. Every time I come in here, I like touching this stuff, the turtle shell. How cool is that? Of course, they got that guy. Okay, guys, that does it. They're closing in 10 minutes, so I'm out of here. I just wanted to show you guys this. And I hope you guys enjoyed the visit to the Springfield, Missouri Nature Center 2018. I think it's March 17th today. And boy, I tell you, it is absolutely beautiful outside. I enjoyed my walk. And now I think I'm going to maybe go to the mall or something. And I don't know, who knows? It's a beautiful day. Oh, and it's St. Patrick's Day, so make sure you're wearing green. And don't pinch anybody, you know, that's not nice. So, anyway, there it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I update and put more cool videos on. Until then, we'll see you next time. Have a good St. Patty's Day.